Alright, let's try first questions of Common Test 2 of year 2008. This derivative of log and exponential function. Clearly, the first part, this is clearly a product of these two functions, e of x and ln 3x cube. So let u be ex. So du dx is clearly ex, and v be ln 3x cube. And you may apply the chain rule here. So this is square and times 3 over 3x. And I may simplify this. Although they ask you, they tell you there's no need to simplify, I would still do it. So your dy dx is therefore ex times 3 of x, 3 over x, I mean ln 3x squared plus e of x and cube. And both terms contain the common factor ex and ln 3x squared. So let me do this. The first term would be left with 3 over x, and the second term, okay. Now the second one, now you notice that I'll keep this. I can express this as product, but I would use a quotient in this case. Now notice this one, the second term. You might recall that e to power ln a is equivalent to a itself. So I can re-express this as x, because a here is x, and by this property I may express the e to power ln x as x. So now your dy dx is therefore your, this is a u, this is a v, and so I have v squared, and v deriving this minus, and derive x, and then I this, and the x, well, of course, is 1. What else? And oops, you write properly. And I would not simplify further. Just leave this answer as follow. And let's move on to the next part. Let me get a pen first. Every time you transition, and you get a pen ready. So first, simplify this function using log law. So okay, I just do a quick review. Log law. You have log a over b is log a minus log b, and the second rule is that the log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, I hope that you recall all this. And log a power n is something like you just write the n in front instead of as a power. And lastly, if you have a ln e, this is ln is actually a log of base e, so this is equal to 1. Now so ln is just log of base e, so all this rule apply to our situation here. So let's start with this. X cube 5x. Now immediately you know that division rule, or the rule of difference apply here. Okay, so this is, I'm using the first rule written here, and this is a product of two functions, so rule number 2 seems useful. 5x, and I can go one more step by using the third rule, right? So as you can see, this is your n, and log e or ln e is 1, so this first sum becomes x, or square root of x. So I have this. Oh, I should have a 3 here. I'm sorry. Okay, and now I'm ready to derive this. This is half of x, negative half, and this is negative 1 over 1 minus x, and this is 5 over 5x, and finally I have 2 square root of x minus 3 1 minus x, and this, of course, I can simplify this and get 1 over x.